Hey guys and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about BomiBox. I don't even know how to say it. This is a Korean beauty box. So basically it's $40 and you get 7 to 8 full and deluxe travel sized Korean products. Suitable for all skin types, 100% authentic products from South Korea. And you can receive it monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly. I had it on, I was getting like every 2 months, and then I did every 3 months. Their price or their billing is very odd. Like you will get billed and then I won't see the box for like a month. So it's really weird. I kind of forget that it's coming and then I get an email like, oh, it's shipped. And I'm like, oh, yay, okay. I will say this is my least favorite box out of all of them. And I wish I could tell you what month this is. Currently it is September and I got it a couple days ago. Yeah. So I don't know if this is like a September box or if it's an August box. I don't know how that works. But this one, I was a little disappointed. The products are a little smaller. Normally I get like good stuff. Like I've gotten Medicube before. I've gotten Abib, if I'm saying that correctly. I really like that brand. CosRx. So they do send a lot of really good products, but this one I was a little underwhelmed. And another thing I'll tell you guys, I got my favorite milk toner from this box and it has been very hard for me to find it again. I can't find it on Amazon. I think TikTok Shop might have it, but that's another thing. If you get a product that you really like, it might be hard to find it again. But I did look a lot of these up and most of them are on Amazon. So I did already open this and I kind of went through and I wrote down the prices because I wanted to see if I was getting a good deal. So when I pay for the box, I think it comes out to like $45, like with taxes and whatnot. And this box, I will tell you guys at the end what this box is worth, so we'll see if it was like a deal. And I don't necessarily know if it's supposed to be like a deal, you know, like how BoxyCharm, you used to pay however much and then it was worth like 3 times that amount. So I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but I'll tell you guys what it was actually worth. So when you open it up, here's all my goodies. All right, so the first 2 things I'm going to talk about, they kind of do this a lot. They send sheet masks quite often, and sheet masks are great and all, but they're kind of boring. Like you use them once, blah, blah, blah. This is a calming care mask, and the brands, like both of the, no. Honestly, I don't know where. I just kind of looked these up and looked for prices. So this one here retailed for $2. So it just says it's 100% plant-based, biodegradable, calming sheet mask. So this will be good because I have been doing some treatments on my face and using some tretinoin. So I do need some calming in my life. This is an aloe soothing one as well. And this one I found retailed for about $4. So nothing on these is in English. So you have to look it up online if you want to know how to use it. I do wish they would put a card in here that kind of told you what everything was and how to use it, but that's okay. And then the other thing I got, this is I thought it was a lip gloss at first. This is actually a lash serum. And I did look this one up and they do have it on Amazon. And I have been using this. I kind of like that this part right here. I've been using that on my eyebrows. So at night I will apply this to my lashes and then I'll put a little bit on my brows too. And this little guy retails for $9. One website I found, it was like $6. So I don't know if it's gonna work or do anything, but you never know. So I have been using it. The next thing in here, yeah, like the more I look at these products, they are all so tiny. Like I don't even know if these are full-size products. So this one is a no sebum mineral powder. This looks just to be like, I don't know if it's like a setting powder. It did come with this little poof and then that's what the powder looks like in there. It's a very, very small amount and this one retails for $14. Now I don't know if that's like the size, like if this is the full size, I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, so I have yet to try it. Maybe I'll try it later today. All right, the next thing is they are notorious for sending toners, which I love toners, don't get me wrong, but this one looks to be, there's no way this is a full-size toner. Yeah, there's no way this is full-size. I don't even know the brand, 77 Plus, Heartleaf, Hyaluron. It's a soothing toner, so everything in this box is soothing. They must have known that my skin was upset. And I looked this up and they have the full-size one on Amazon for $20. And so I kind of tried to break it down. This is only 1.35 ounces, so this was probably like $2.50. Next thing in here, it's actually another toner, and I do think that this is full size. I do like mist toners. This Delbo one has been my favorite recently. I've been spraying this on like as skincare, and it is so convenient, like just spraying. So I am excited about this one. It just says mist toner, and let's see. It literally feels like water. All right, we're gonna look this up and see what it says about it. Oh yeah, so they do have this on Amazon. This retails for $15.99. So it sounds like this is transforming irritated skin, so this might be calming as well. I don't know, I'm gonna use it. I've been doing a lot of like the skin flooding where you use a ton of toners, and I do enjoy that. So this will definitely be added to my toner collection. The last thing in here is actually a vitamin C. Vitamin C, 15% ascorbic acid. This one looks like. So yeah, I do like a vitamin C. It has such an odd smell. I did use the CosRX one, and it was very, very interesting. Okay, so they do have it, and it's $9.90. Okay, and I will say K-beauty products are usually pretty affordable, so that doesn't mean anything. But it's a brightening formula formulated with arbutin to help improve skin's appearance and give your complexion a radiant glow. It's hydrating and nourishing, has hyaluronic acid, panthenol, okay? It's all great stuff. I don't know. I guess I was just a little underwhelmed by this one. Like, I just feel like the products were really small. I feel like some of them were not full-size products. So let me add this up. So like $55.50, that's what this box pretty much came out to be. So it's like a $10 savings, if it's even supposed to be a savings. I don't know. I do always like getting these products. Like, they're always good products, but I don't know. I guess I was just a little underwhelmed with this one. But it is a great concept. It's a great idea. I do enjoy getting all this K-beauty stuff. I am going to take a break for a while from it. I think I delayed it like maybe, I don't know, 6 months, 5, I don't know. Anywho, I'm going to use up all the other stuff I have first and then go back and do this. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I bought these boxes with my own money. But yeah, it's a cute little idea. I do really enjoy getting the K-beauty stuff. They are good products, and I kind of enjoy having like a surprise sent to me, you know, because I usually don't know what to look for. So I do like that. So all right, have you guys ever tried this box before? Let me know your thoughts, your opinions. I hope you have a good day, and we'll see y'all soon. Bye.